So today's class is about the business model. Business model in the sense, this is not the primary model, but the secondary model. If you are running a business, the primary model means where you are getting the income. That is the sales. Sales are from customers, they are paying some money. That is the primary source of income. That is the primary business model that we have discussed. Some of the methods which are already available in India. This is the secondary model. Secondary model means you are running a nice biotechnology lab, or you are running the psychology lab, or you are running the app development, everything. You are very much interested to gain some other sources income. Main income is from your own business. Then you need additional income, which is somewhat relevant to your business. If you are running the psychology lab, you may get the income from the advertisement. You are a good psychologist, and in case of your organization, you are putting some of the advertisement of some other persons. For that, you are getting the income. That is the secondary model. Usually, it is common. Even in case of BBMP buses, you can see the advertisements are coming. Now you are not seeing more advertisement. Previously, you can see all the AC buses. In the side, you can see the advertisement of an organization. That is the additional income for BBMP. The main income comes from the passenger. The additional income comes from the advertisement boards, from the third party. Okay. So today we are going to discuss these type of secondary business models for financing. We have discussed the bond rate, and next class we are going to discuss about how you are able to get the money from the government also. What are all the different schemes of the government to facilitate the entrepreneur? That Thursday we are going to discuss. But today is the secondary details or secondary business model, which is going to get the revenue. Why the secondary revenue model is essential? That is very important question, because we can't depend upon the income from one main source. You might have seen, nobody estimated when COVID comes. Nobody knows what was the meaning of COVID once upon a time. That is in the year 2019 December, when China was drastically affected. Then only we came to know that there was one disease called COVID. So immediately what happened? Due to lockdown, most of the business were struggling. But some of the organizations, they survived with their secondary model. That is the reason why you are studying the secondary model. Okay, that you must understand. You are very good in your domain area, but you have to find out the source for additional income, and this will help you to increase the brand image, especially in case of marketing. When you used to teach, you used to call this branding models. From other person income, we will brand ourselves. These are all the models we are going to discuss today. There are a number of models, of course, but we are going to discuss few models which are essential for the business unit. Let us start with the news clippings what I sent yesterday to you. You can see even the big organizations, they are aiming for the secondary source of income. Mahindra and Mahindra, they are doing nice business. But you can see they created one business called the Mahindra Finance. And they mentioned that they are going to have the subscription business model. Of course, way vehicle leasing is their core business. They are going to lease the Mahindra vehicles for 1 year or 2 years. That is usual thing nowadays. We already discussed this type of model. Same thing we are discussing in the another sense. And what this Mahindra is now doing, they are going to have for the subscription model. Subscription model in the sense, what they mean that you can subscribe with the Mahindra Finance every month, and at the end you will own the vehicle, like hire purchase system or installment system. This is the new business model they introduced. That is why even big organization, they are planning for the secondary business model. So dear students, when you are going to start your business, find out where you can grab the income. In the beginning stage, by your age of 35 or 40 or some cases 50, you will join the business. By that time, you must know how to grab the income. What are all the different methods we can create for earning income? That is essential. That's what most of the business people are now doing. You can see the Tata groups, how many units they are having. Of course, they started from the iron and steel industry once upon a time in Tata Nagar. That is those days junction. But nowadays you can see they are in TCS. They are in almost all the business area. They are doing like that. So, dear students, even though they are having number of primary income, even if you are starting your business, you must understand the secondary source. Here is a very good example of how the Mahindra Finance is doing. That is why I shown that one, big business. So let us see the secondary model. We have discussed the same models in previous classes with the different type of ventures. Same thing, but only thing you have when you are writing, you have to write in a different model. That is, what are all the different types of secondary business model for generating the income. The first one is advertising. Not your advertising. Advertising by some other organization, what I told already. Even if you are running a nice clinic, what you will do, you will put up the advertisement of some of the hospitals. Our Tenzin is running a nice biotechnology lab. He is the owner of the biotechnology lab. What Tenzin will do? Tenzin will put the advertisement banner for Fortis Hospital, Apollo Hospitals, all those things. Because he needs income in different source. That is a very good example of that one. Even the advertisement will be created by him, he will get good income. Our advertisement board may be available in Apollo Hospitals or Fortis Hospitals, but in your place, they will sponsor that one. That is very important thing nowadays. The advertisement is earning much more income. But this advertisement is said to be the main source of income nowadays. In case of newspaper, I think journalism students are there. You can see the Bigg Boss. I think everybody might have seen the Bigg Boss in most of the TV, either in Kannada or in Telugu, now in Tamil also, even in Hindi, the Bigg Boss show. How they are getting the income? Last week, one day by 10 o'clock, I used to saw the Bigg Boss. When I noticed each and every place, there is an advertisement. See that one. Their main income is not from the subscription model of Star TV network, but also from the advertisement. That is their main source now. Even though they started as a secondary source, Now the main source itself is advertisement. In the Big Boss show, they created a nice house. Wherever you can see inside the house, in the walls, one advertisement is coming. Even while the dress materials, they are getting the advertisement from some other thing, maybe in the form of sponsoring inside the home, the kitchenware, everywhere you can see the nice advertisements in the Big Boss. Of course, we are subscribing the Star Network channels, either Vijay TV or some other TV, which are the group of the Star Networks. But the income for the Star Network, they are getting from different advertisements. Here is an example. Even in case of booking the flight ticket, I noticed Skyscanner. When I decided to book the ticket last year, even though there was lockdown, I decided to enter whether I can go to Goa for enjoyment. And that means just for 3 or 4 days, because my son and daughter, they are asking for that one. So I decided, when I decided to go into the Skyscanner, which is the travel and tourism network, I entered Bangalore to Goa. And immediately, once I enter, I am able to see, okay, flight ticket, hotels, you can hire the car, you can see. That is the advertisement model, how these people are connecting with others. They are doing the business of ticket booking, but they are saying that if even you can book hotel, you can book the cars if you want to roam around the Goa. See that one, go anywhere, travel your way, keep it simple. All these things they are mentioning. How they created a nice story with the help of different advertisements. See that one. That is the advertisement model. They are not only involving in travel and tourism industry, but they are having a good advertisement for others. Others are supporting. Not only they are getting income from the travel. See that one. It is only the flight booking, but they are diverting to others also. Once if you book the ticket, then you can go for all the things. That is the advertisement model. Next one, the affiliate business model. You might have seen in case of Amazon, small business, we have discussed once. In case of Amazon small business, what they are telling, we are doing the business for you. You can join hands. You may be a very good businessman. You are having nice product with you. So join hands with Amazon and sell. You are treated as a business people. You will be charged with regular price. The GST will be exempted. See that one, how this Amazon is creating. They are joining hands with the small traders and ready to sell. That is the affiliate model. When I purchased one battery for my inverter in home, I was using very old inverter. So it was not working like in 3 months back due to heavy power failure. So I decided to change the battery. What I did, I put up in the Amazon, and from the Amazon, I got that one. So I booked for the one battery for the inverter. Immediately within 1 day, one person is calling. Sir, we are ready to provide the battery. You already booked in Amazon. And we will come to your home and put the service clearly. Or whether without us, you are able to fit the battery, you can see. Immediately, I told, okay, no problem. You can come to my home. How much you are going to charge? He's telling, no need, sir. Everything is included in Amazon. See that one. That is the affiliate model. Then when he came, I asked, I told, you have to come only on Sunday. Okay, he fixed on Sunday. I booked in Amazon, but you are coming. I thought that Amazon people will deliver it. I have to call some electrician and fit. No, sir. In case of Amazon, we are having the tie-up. See that one. The Amazon shared the location of you and it clearly mentioned about everything. And based upon that, we got your phone number and you are dialing to us, we noticed, and we are having the relationship with the Amazon. You are a small trader, see that one. A small trader is having the affiliate model with the Amazon. That is the model, business model. Usually, these doctors and lab people will have that one. Doctors will have an affiliate relationship. We'll see another one, brokerage is also there. Yeah, doctors and the lab. If a doctor is to check the lab, he will tell, go to this lab. This lab is located nearby. Go there and check the blood and prepare the result. See that one. They themselves have a linkage with the labs nowadays, especially for scanning, everything. That is the affiliate marketing. That is joining hands equivalent to our business. Even in case of developing the app, you will develop the app, Google will sell that app. Then you are having the affiliate relationship with the Google. Our Gibson will develop a nice app. How the Gibson will tell? Gibson will use the Google for that purpose. Google will use the app and Google will put up in the Google Play Store and anybody can see the app in the Google Play Store and buy. So Gibson versus Google is having the affiliate relationship. Of course, nowadays nobody will speak. Only he can make entry with the Google Play Store and Google people will check that one, how it is working. Once they satisfied with the Gibson new app, they themselves put that one. Only thing, they have to share the revenue. See that one. That is the affiliate marketing. App revenue comes to Gibson, but since the Google is sponsoring the app, putting in their Play Store, Google will also receive income. That is the affiliate model. You can do the business here. The ID, I think you know the Idli Dosa butter. When it was introduced in Bangalore, some of the hotels, they mentioned that we are preparing idli and dosa with the ID butter. That is crispy taste. Still, I remember I went to one Udupi, not Udupi hotel, another, previously it was SLV hotel nearby our college, that is in the Bhagirathi, I think nearby that place. When I visited that place, they mentioned the board, you can have a dosa from ID butter. Why you are having dosa? Why you are mentioning that one? No, sir, they are giving the ID butter to us, the dosa, you can have a crispy dosa. Then I asked, what is that crispy dosa? You can order paper roast. In dosa, there is one roast called paper roast. I think you may not have, because you are all moving towards burger, pizza, everything. But when the ID butter was introduced, I asked these people, they served nicely paper roast. Very big dosa, even a family can take, and it is called the paper roast. I heard about roast, masala dosa, all those things. First time I heard the term paper roast. Usually ghee roast, they will put up in the cone shape and bring. And these people, you can see, that is the affiliate model when the ID butter was introduced. Now you can't see, they are not going for affiliate model because they are grown up. Even in case of that Baroda, you can take in Ulumar, they used to have the affiliate marketing strategy. So that is the concept of affiliate marketing. Next one is brokerage. This is another interesting thing. In case of medical history, they used to have a big brokerage and commission. They may have affiliate modeling. Affiliate modeling means they will tell, we will give rent or sometimes profit, that's all. Brokerage is not like that. Brokerage, most of the brokerage and commission nowadays are received by the doctors. It is a hidden one, whether you know or not. Even though we are recording that one, I am telling openly. Most of the doctors are having a link with the scan centers. All these things, what? When they are suggesting for the scan, when the patient take that slip to the scan center will see who is that doctor. And immediately, whatever you are paying money to the scan center, I came to know that 2% of the money goes to the doctor automatically. If the doctor is saying that, we can recommend. That is the model created by the scan centers now. Because scan center need good investments and they need advertisement for that one, what they are doing. They are having a brokerage agreement with the doctors. And these doctors are recommending that scan center. See that one. That is the brokerage model which is running, illegally. But even legal business, it is there. In case of Flipkart, it was there. Brokerage, and very good example, Amazon Associate is also having the brokerage model. If they are selling your product, they will charge a brokerage. And commission, there is week C commission, that is one website. You can see that one, it will enter clearly the commission, where it goes, how you can get. In case of real estate sector, even though 99acres.com will say that no brokerage, no commission for us, but they are having a tie-up with others. If you are using the 99 acres for buying or selling or getting the rented house, these people are having the brokerage commission method. Usually when you come to Bangalore, I don't know about...
Ama.
Yes, Bhuja, you can, very good. See that one, in case of 99acres.com, when you are booking for rent a small room, you are in Hyderabad, you want to book one PG in Bangalore, you are using the 99 acres instead of depending upon the brokerage. Because, you know, if you are asking the brokerage people, they will ask 1 month rent. So what these people will do, you will see the 99acres.com and you will find a nice rooms nearby our college for the PG purpose. You are paying to that one, you are paying to the landlord, but a brokerage will go to the 99acres.com. That is their main model. And even they clearly mention how much brokerage they will get. It depends upon the place as well as the occupancy. You can see that one. So this 99acres.com is surviving with this brokerage itself. Even home online. These are the things, how these people are having the additional income. Then concierge or customization. This is another one. Customization is the new strategy in which you will say that we are designing the product according to the needs of the customer. Even MBBS doctors are today moving towards the customization. What they are doing, I came to know that in case of Tamil Nadu, one place near Madurai, the doctors tie up with government. They are going home and checking the persons. A scheme introduced in Tamil Nadu for that purpose, because one of my students is from that area. He used to tell that one last week. I asked him. Now doctors, due to the some of the restrictions, anything, they are unable to move during this COVID period. And most of the hospitals, local clinics are closed. So what the doctors decided, they decided to create into the app, like Practo app. They created an app and they decided to move to the place of the patients. They are telling, we are coming there. The doctors are taking their own car, having one assistant there in the car to take remaining thing, and they are going to the patients and they are checking and giving medicines, everything. You can see that is also customization. Some cases, the Thyrocare, what I already discussed. When you approach the Thyrocare for blood sample check, they used to come to your home and they will tell package. We will check body health, everything we are able to do. That is also customization. Even the very big business, they are also moving towards the customization. Here, some of the interior designing, what they are telling, we will come to your home and have a nice service. We will come there and see how your room looks like. And they are giving 3-dimensional view. Even for the hall, when I decided to go for some interior, I called one person. He told, don't worry, sir, I will come by evening 6:30. Okay, don't worry. 6:30, that person came with video, everything. I asked, why I want to discuss, that's all. These curtains, everything is very old. I am going to change. Don't worry, sir. Can I take a video? He told, I told you, you are going to take which place? These walls only. Why wall you want to take? No, sir, wait. He tell. Give me permission. Then he can turn the camera one round like 360 degree. Then, okay, you did it, you can tell me. And within 5 minutes, he is sending the WhatsApp inside the home. Sir, you can see in the WhatsApp how your home looks like. See that one, he has taken the video clipping of my hall and immediately he is sending it to somebody else. I don't know where he said. He is sending WhatsApp messages. If you put this portrait here and this type here, this wallpaper there, your room looks like this. He is showing immediately in the phone, the WhatsApp. He is sending in the WhatsApp. He, sir, you can see and tell me which one you can decide. This will cost 2 lakhs. This will cost 4 lakhs. I told, for interior, can I spend to 2 lakhs? But nowadays it is essential. See that one. That is the customized. He is an interior designer. I thought that he will come and I will tell, put the screen here. This color you can get it from somewhere and buy and post. No, sir, don't worry. You can select any one of these things, we will deliver. And he also gave another suggestion. Now there are some color bulbs are coming so that you can change the colors every day, every week also. So your interior today will have one design, tomorrow it will have another design. Such type of coloring effect is telling by showing that bulb. Now you can see that Wipro bulb, we can connect with the smart app, all those things. Like this, he is telling you can change the coloring, everything. See that one immediately. Then he told this price minimum is 2 lakhs and you can decorate this room for up to 10 lakh rupees. That is the customization. Dear students, his business is only interior, but he used to create a customized design for that one. I already told the example of Tanishq. I think recently in case of Kamanahalli also in Tanishq, they introduced that one. If you are visiting that one, they will show, you can select this necklace. If you are wearing, how it looks like. They'll take a pic of your image, that is the portrait, and they are telling, looks like, how it looks like. Even in case of MG Road, I visited Titan showroom. It's also from Tata Group. They are showing for the wrist watch. Sir, you can take the image of your hand and how it looks like. And immediately they are telling, see, sir, you can prefer this watch. This watch will be very good. My son, then I told, watch is not for me, it is for my son. And they are laughing, okay, sir. Where is he? He's not with me now. He's in my home. They are telling, okay, sir, don't worry. Take a picture of his hand and send it to WhatsApp and give it to me. He will tell which one looks like nice. How these people are moving. See that one. That is the mass customization. Here you can see, you like this thing, this phone cover. I think now it is not very famous. Yeah, I think 4 or 5 years back, you can see the cell phone covers. Actually, the covers are manufactured by somebody. These people used to have a personalized phone. You can give a photo and they will put the photo in that image and give you within 2 hours. That is UB City. I visited one mall. It is like that UB City mall. See that one. Likewise, even the personalized car is there. Car is from one company, but painting, they are telling what type of thing. These are the additional income business model. Even in case of the food items, you can customize, but these foods are purchased from some other place. They will mix and customize for you. Another interesting thing, the taste craft. I hope you might have had a nice night dinner in this taste craft. It was run by our student only as a partner. He studied MBA in our campus in 2012, I think so. He created a taste craft. When we entered into that one, he is telling, sir, all this cutting we are not doing. All this carving is done by some people. We are bringing here and only thing we are arranging and giving to you. You can see the dosa, how the dosa looks. It is not with traditional sambar and chutney. They used to make in a different style. Taste craft. See that one. This is the thing. Dear students, not only primary business is essential. You must think clearly how we can earn in a different methods. Because the world has changed. Another nice story here is the crowdsourcing, crowdfunding. Even the very big organization, PNG, YouTube, these people are moving towards the crowdfunding. That is the thing, especially social entrepreneur. Some of the psychology students may prefer for a social entrepreneur. So how they will get the income? They will start a child care home in Bangalore. They will, that is, those parents left the kids. They may start an orphanage. Some of them may decide to go for setting an orphanage, which is a social cause. But you need income for running that one. You can't charge the people because they are not having income. Even the old age home. So where you can get the fund? Dear students, here is a very good thing. That is the crowdsourcing. There are a number of websites. You can post it there and get the fund. Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Webfunder, Seed Engine, Flash Funders, Pledge Music. These are all the organizations where you can get the money. What they will do, you can post that we are running an orphanage for the kids and you can kindly contribute to us. You can post it in the Kickstarter. They will see whether you are doing, and you can get the donation from different places. And some of them are participating in equity share also. because you can make the productivity with the help of these people. I came to know that nearby Getahalli, that is nearby our campus, there is one orphanage for the elderly people home. In that home, along with some of our students, I went there. I'm able to see some of the business model there. They are selling phenol, they are selling some of the cultivated fruits from there, even drumstick, all those things. They are cultivating in their home and they are selling that product. You might have seen when you are going towards Hennur, next to that Crafties Hospital, I think like it's the same road, that is from the left-hand side towards Hennur, you can see the one of the orphanage home for elderly people. They used to sell nearby that roadside. Of course, they are getting income from something, but even then, this is the method they are getting. And now we are having the platform for that one in online also. That is the crowdfunding. You can see Rotary Club, they are also joining, they are getting income from these models only. Then the bit, we'll see some of the organizations, how they get the funding. See that one, Bit Giving. It is the founded by Ishita Anand, and it is headquarters in New Delhi. They are running a very good crowdfunding platform. And you can see they have so far completed over 650 projects, and still it is going on, including Nepal, those who are affected in earthquake in Nepal, and those who are working in Marathwada region. In some of the places they identified, they are giving the money to them for their better living, for doing their business. That is a very good example. Impact Guru is a very good crowdfunding platform created by that Piyush Jain and Khushbu Jain. And they also created a nice funding method there. Then disintermediation. This is another interesting one. Disintermediation. This means, very good example is Dell computers. Dell is from one country, they are selling the Dell laptops everywhere. What they are doing, they are selling and it has been assembled in one place. Even if you went to Dell showroom, you can see all those things. They are getting that one as an assembled one. That is the disintermediation. What these people are doing, they are selling, but it is assembled in different places. This is very common in case of the places, even in case of app development or computer systems, even in case of selling educational product. The core thing will be sent and you will have a link with some people that they used to assemble. Very good is Dell, even in case of business people, those who are dealing in flower wash, flower business, they are doing that one. We have discussed once, I think, Rose Bazaar. They used to sell the flowers for puja items, everything. For the purpose of puja in regular homes, they used to sell the flowers. And they are creating nice bouquets, everything with that one. That also disintermediation model. Dell is following. Then another interesting is fractionalization. Even in those days, we will have the fractionalization. A fractionalization means selling the part of your business. For you to set up a nice psychology lab, your grandma told that, okay, ma, you can take our old age home, you can run a psychology clinic there. So you are very happy. Grandma told that in our ancestral house, we can run a lab. Because psychology lab should have a different quality, everything. I think some counseling psychology students are also there. So what these people will do, they won't get regular income. Ancestral house is very big. So they will rent one part of their ancestral house for the medical store or other psychology clinic. They may tie up with other persons. Two persons may join together and one person will act in the first floor, another one in the ground floor. Usually in case of the medicals, they will be like that. The doctors, they may 2 or 3 medical doctors join together, and what these people will do, they will rent a building. In the ground floor, they will be there. Another floor, they will give for that one. That is the fractionalization. In case of theme parks, this is quite common. You can very good example the Fun World. Fun World, they are doing like that fractionalization. It's not owned by single organization. Fun World, you can see, they are leasing this place for these persons. They have to bring this wheel and they have to install and they can get the income. In all these theme parks, you might have seen, in the theme parks, they used to have the fractionalization. If you are going towards the creating a new venture like this theme park, you can create this type of fractionalization model. Even in our college, the fractionalization is our canteen. Maybe some of you are there now in the canteen. The canteen is coming under the fractionalization model. Our aim is only to run the college, classrooms, everything. But to enable the students, we are giving permission to run the canteens. So one place has been allotted to these people. That is also fractionalization. This is a nice example. Another one is franchising. You can go for franchising. 1 second. Yes. Wait. Okay, students, so here is an interesting model from the franchising, that is A to B model. You can see Adayar, Anandabhavan everywhere in Bangalore, different place. Actually, it started in Chennai. Now you can see A to B, Bangalore. Even in case of Mysore, you can see. That is the franchising. The owner is different. They are given the franchising to these people. They can run that one. That is a very good example. Next, another model is freemium, not premium. Freemium. Very good example is LinkedIn. You can have your own account in LinkedIn. I think some of you are already having in the LinkedIn. So what the LinkedIn will do, you can join, they will help you. Finally, they will go for the premium model. Till that you can use freely. Even Facebook is freemium model. It is free, but you can see the number of advertisement. They will gain the help of advertisement. That is the thing. You are giving the space in online for that purpose. That is the freemium model. Okay. It is quite common in LinkedIn. Then, of course, the last model, but another interesting model is the leasing. In case of leasing, some places may be leased over to other places, especially in case of cinema theaters. Cinema theaters may have the canteen. These canteen places have been leased. You can see the INOX theater, PVR complex, all these things, what these people will do, they will lease a particular space for running the canteen. Their aim is only for movies. INOX is for movies, PVR is for movies. it is anywhere in India. But what these people will do in case of Inox or PVR, they used to identify nice place in the theater complex, and they used to lease that place for the canteen. Because the taste will differ in different places. If you are visiting Mysore, the taste will be very different. If you are in Hyderabad, it will be a very good karam. If you are visiting the interior place in Karnataka, you can see sweet will be dominated. If you are visiting Maharashtra, especially in case of Mumbai, the salt content will be high. So what these PVR Inox people did that, they are actually running the cinema theater business. But they already got the lease in multiple complex. Among that one, inside that places, they used to have nicely a place which can be leased for the canteen or some other purpose. Even the car leasing is famous. Likewise, low touch. Low touch means you are running a business. You are asking your friends or anybody to put a stall in your campus. Like how the Airtel once upon a time sold the SIM cards. Even Jio people, they used to put a small umbrella type and give the place. You are running a very nice computer lab or biotechnology lab or psychology lab, or you are doing a good journalism. But what you are doing, you are giving a small place for somebody else. That is the low touch model. You won't gain, but through that people you will get the income, especially selling the SIM cards. Okay. So these are all the different model. Even the DMart is following that model. You can see, of course, in different DMart, they used to give some place for that one. That is quite common. Okay, so these are all the different business models you must know as the revenue model. Here is the pay as you go. That is the clicking model. That is only in digital marketing. Okay. Even the Bangalore electricity supply chain, they are having that model only. So these are all the secondary models you must know for your business. So in this part, you must know clearly that what are the secondary models you need to run your business. Okay. Primary model is different. Your main business. Secondary model is what you want to get the additional income. Okay. With this will comes to an end. Next hour you will have the discussion. So be ready for the discussion.